What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Keela coming again with a video. Actually, this will be one of my first videos that I put out, but hey, it is what it is. I make these videos all the time behind closed doors. Nobody knows. So yeah, welcome to one of my videos. I'm going to show you how to do this Valentine's Day look. So just, stay around and get prepared. So far, what you guys are seeing is I have drawn in my brows, and I'm just going to go in to conceal them. This is some Sephora concealer from Make No Mistake in the color Cinnamon. I'm just trying to get these eyebrows shaped the way that I wanted them to be shaped. If you guys haven't noticed yet, this eyebrow that I'm working with right here, I had a horrible time with. I just could not get it to act right. They're really thick and all this other stuff, but eventually I ended up getting this eyebrow the way that I needed it to be, and I had to punish it so it could act right. Here I'm taking the spoolie on the end of my angle brush, and I'm just going in to blend in the front parts of my brows, if that makes sense. That way that they're not choppy and triangular looking in the front how I had them at first. And then just going back to clean up any messes that I've made with the same concealer brush that I use to get that perfect arch. If you guys haven't noticed, I am still fighting this eyebrow. Okay, so I got it together here. I'm just going to go in and blend in any concealer that is looking blotchy. You don't want no blotchy looking concealer that isn't blended in. So just blend that in, you know what I'm saying, y'all. Alrighty, so I'm going to go in with some Karity Cosmetics here. And this is a vegan palette, by the way. This is a concealer palette. I'm going to use one of their lightest colors that they have to apply some on my lid. That way, when I apply my eyeshadows, they actually will stick to my eyelid and won't move around and stuff like that. Here I'm going to go in with this Morphe palette. I don't know what the name of this palette is, nor the name of that color, but it's like a baby pink color that I'll be using on the top parts of my lid. And the reason I'm putting them up top is because I'm about to add in a whole bunch of colors, and I want to save room for all the colors that I'm going to be using. So I'm putting this way up high so that I can come in with this color, which is also by Morphe. It's like a peachy color. Don't know how to explain the color nor the palette. And I'm just going to put this color on top of that color, but underneath it. On top of that first color, but underneath it. That way it's not overlapping it, but you can still see it a little bit. But you can also see the color that I'm applying. You see that? It's starting to come. It's starting to pop like that peachy color. Yes. Do the same thing to the other eye and get that popping. Okay, so I don't know if you guys, I don't think I recorded it, but I've come in with this orange color inside of my Tartelette palette. Okay, going in with this 23 Perfect Colors from Nicka. I'm going to grab this red color. It doesn't look red right now, but once I start adding more layers, you'll definitely see the pigment. I want this area to be a lot more redder and a lot more deeper than all the other colors were. So that's why I chose red. I could have went in for like a deep burgundy color, but I was going for Valentine, so red was definitely something that I wanted to do. Just brushing off any excess there. I'm going to go back in with that orange color from Tartelette. I know, guys, I'm so sorry I couldn't record it, but you guys can see it in the video. I just used that right there to blend. Now I'm going to go in with this AOA lipstick in the color Vintage and creating a very tiny baby crease. You guys see how dark that is? Yes, I want it very, very dark in that area. So that's why I went in with the color Vintage. Now I'm going to go in with this glitter, gold glitter by Jcats. And as you guys can see, as I apply more of the glitter, it starts turning red, which is what I wanted. If you guys are going to use the AOA for the glitter also, make sure that you guys are using the glitter right after applying the AOA lipstick, because it's going to dry and the glitter won't stick. Now I'm just going to go in with my eyeliner. Oh, I cannot talk just then. I'm going to go in with my eyeliner, creating that cut of a wing with my eyeliner. Excuse me. A cut of a wing. Yes, honey. I'm going to go in with my 350 Fenty foundation in the color 350. One thing that I have noticed about this foundation, just like most foundations, it definitely has gotten darker on me. I think it's because it's the winter time. So I'm gonna have to definitely blend something in with that to create more of a paler color, because that is a little too sun-kissed right now. One thing that I did notice also, this video definitely helped me notice it more, is that I will have to start using more than one layer of this foundation. I usually apply my foundation before I do my eyeshadow, but I wanted to try something different today, and that's what I got. I'm going to go in with my concealer that I use for my brows, the color Cinnamon, and apply that under my eyes, on my forehead, my chin, my nose. And then I'm just going to simply blend that in with one of my foundation brushes. Once I blend that in, what I like to do when I'm blending is blend outside and then go inside, if that makes sense. So as you guys see right there, I'm blending outside, and then I'm going to eventually start going inside to distribute the makeup that's inside, so that it's not too light or not getting blended correctly. Here I'm just going to be using that Karity Cosmetic palette, using some of the darker colors and just applying that to my contour areas, my nose, my cheeks, and my forehead. Using this contour brush, I'm just going to blend that all in. Yes, honey. Yes. Ooh, she just knows she cute. Look at that, y'all. This is the finishing touches. I say I did a pretty good job. I love how the glitter and the pigment came out. Yes, y'all know I had to go to Snapchat for this one. Follow me on Snapchat, guys. I'll put everything in the link below. Thank you.